Let me show you how we can take a macro photo on a Samsung Galaxy A37. We have two main ways that allow you to take a pretty decent macro photo on this phone. The first option is to use the dedicated macro mode. So in the camera, we can go to more over here, and then we can find the macro option. Now we should be able to point at our subject that we want to capture. We can also see at the top that we need to hold our camera 3 to 5 centimeters away. If you keep the camera too close, then of course you might have trouble with the focus, so the photo might not be too clear. And then of course once you're ready, just capture the photo. However, if you're looking for a way to make a photo that can be zoomed even more in, a photo that is even closer to the subject, then you can just use the standard photo mode over here. And if we point at our subject, and if we keep the distance between the camera and the subject, then you can use zoom in order to make a decent macro photo. You cannot keep the camera too close, however, because you will lose the focus and the photo will be blurry. But as you can see, we can use even like 4x zoom and more in order to get a pretty good macro photo. There we go. So as you can see, the difference is quite huge. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.